Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be sharing my first juicing experience, so if you're interested in seeing how it all went, just keep on watching. Am I in bed? Still working out the kinks. So I really wanted a juicer for Christmas and I ended up getting one, so I'm about to open it and use it for the first time. This is a NutriBullet juicer. I'm an instruction reader to a certain extent. I don't want to mess this thing up. Make sure I got all the pieces. All right, so I got all the pieces. Let me wash them real quick. So I found this green juice recipe on Pinterest that I want to try out. I already got the ingredients for it, but here is the pen. Come on now. There we go. The best green juice recipe for beginners. I'm a beginner. She also has a carrot juice recipe on here that I'm gonna try out a little bit later because, you know, one recipe at a time, and I really hope they're good because here's my thing. I ain't drinking nothing that tastes like, what you need, baby? Like I was saying, I want to be healthy, but I'm not drinking anything that tastes like grass or Mother Earth. I'm just not gonna do it. It has to be at least a little bit palatable. Come on now, come on. So yeah, I'm about to get into this green juice, and I hope it don't taste like grass juice. Really hope it's good. Why am I nervous? Okay. This recipe calls for. Where's my phone? So you're gonna need 2 green apples, 6 half stalks of celery, 1 cucumber, 2 limes, and 4 handfuls of spinach.
I need apple in a pickle in a
What's this?
That's a pickle.
It's a pickle?
Yeah.
You ain't wrong.
I like that.
That's a cucumber.
Can they keep powder?
Oh Lord.
Did you? Okay, I think it.
Let me get the.
We keep powder.
I'm gonna put everything in here and you're gonna wash it off, okay?
Okay.
Are you supposed to peel the food?
I think it.
Oh, no. Rookies. Let me look at the rest.
I can pour.
Yeah, we gotta peel it. Let's wash first and then we'll peel it in a minute. Never peeled a lime in my life. this first, okay? And you put it in here like this, okay? Here's our green juice. Let me get a cup.
I want a cup.
You want a cup?
Yeah, I want to watch it.
You want to taste it first?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gonna give you a little bit.
Hey,
You ready to taste it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
What does it taste like? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
No? Let me taste it. It's not wine.
Something missing in there.
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
It is supposed to have sugar.
Goodies.
We're gonna have to go back to the drawing board. That's nasty.
The apples you put in there.
It only called for 2 apples.
When you try to put more apples.
But it's like the Granny Smith apples. Those are sour anyway.
Well,
What we gonna do with the rest of this?
we're gonna drink it.
Well, I'm gonna bottle it. Let me show y'all the bottles I got from Amazon. So I got these glass bottles from Amazon. I'll link them down below. Ugh. So my green juice has had a chance to chill overnight. Those ingredients have all marinated together, and you know what? It's still nasty. It's very nasty. It's definitely an acquired taste, and I don't think I will ever acquire the taste of this green juice. It tastes like pickled grass, but I am excited for my juicing journey. This may have been a fail, but I'm gonna master something. I can't fail forever. And I finished it. Ooh, my insides are spicy.